I hope you guys are all well. Since Valentine's Day is around the corner, I figured to make something fun. We're going to bake today. Fact about me, I never bake. I can even count with my fingers that I baked only once, and that was when my sister got engaged. So I baked those nice cupcakes for her, and I'll put a picture for you guys so you can see. So yeah, only once in my life, and usually it's my husband, the cameraman. He bakes mostly, and it's super good.
On
So
special occasions.
today I'm a little nervous because he's gonna watch me. So we'll see how my cupcakes will turn. Ingredients for vanilla cupcakes are 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, room temperature, 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons vanilla extract, 3 large egg whites, 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 6 tablespoons milk, room temperature, 2 tablespoons water, room temperature. We're starting by mixing all the dry ingredients. Add the sugar. Oops, I added the whole sugar. It's okay. Baking powder. And then we mix. So now we're going to add the milk. You have choice of adding water. I decided to use almond milk, so we're just adding that. Vanilla extract, water, and now we're adding the salted butter. I'm gonna skip the salt.
Good.
And now we're going to mix. A dozen cupcakes, so we're just gonna put 12 of them. The batter is ready, and now we are going to use the scooper. It's much easier than spoon, so we're just gonna transfer it from here to our liners. It doesn't have to be full. That's enough. I couldn't do this video without my husband's help, so he's behind it.
I'm sure you could have.
Since Valentine's Day is all about chocolate, so why not adding some chocolates here? Chocolate chips. Little chocolate chips.
Can you put extra for mine?
Of course. We're going to bake these cupcakes now. I made sure my oven is preheated at 350. We're going to bake these for 11 to 13 minutes. We are going to check on the cupcakes. Wow, yum. We're gonna let them cool. We are going to make the frosting. For the ingredients, we need 2 cups of icing sugar, 1 1/2 cup of butter, 1 1/2 cup of shortening, and I'm using a little tint, so using red to make it pinkish. So we're going to add everything right now. adding this one now. Well, the frosting is almost ready. I'm going to add the red color to make it a little pinkish. And then we're gonna mix it again and it's ready. The red food coloring, just a bit, not too much. I think 1 drop is enough. There you go. Should be enough. I'll add another one. There we go. Is ready, and this is exactly what I wanted. My husband was right. He told me to add 2 drops of food coloring. So yeah, he's a master for baking, and he's smiling right now. He's so happy. So yeah, this is a beautiful color. Really nice. So now we're going to decorate the cupcakes. There we go, we have our cupcakes for month of love. As you can see, we have heart-shaped cupcakes and we have strawberries with some chocolate chips. We got our strawberry milkshake. So what can you ask more? And I'm really satisfied with these cupcakes, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. For me, it was so fun. At the same time, I was a little stressed, but my husband helped me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question or comment, please let me know. Yeah, thank you. Bye.